Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 3 marks. The question is, a company has a locker in which valuable documents are kept. The passcode is a 4-digit number of the form xyyx. Now, the Chief Executive Officer or the CEO and the Vice President VP of the company have each been given one clue. On solving both clues, the passcode that opens the locker can be found out. Now the CEO's clue is when twice the ones digit is subtracted from the tens digit, the result is 1. The VP's clue is 3 more than the tens digit is thrice the ones digit. Find the passcode that opens the locker. You have to show your work. Now here they've mentioned that the passcode is of this format. Passcode is equal to xyyx. Now this is the ones digit and this is the tens digit, this is the hundreds digit and this is the thousand digit. Okay, so now let's look at the tens digit will be equal to y and the ones digit we know is equal to x. Now let's look at the clues. When twice the ones digit is subtracted from the tens digit, then the result will be 1. So from the tens digit, twice the ones digit is subtracted and you'll get the result as 1. So this will be your first linear equation. Let me just rearrange this a little bit and I would get 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So that's my first equation. Now in the second clue, they've mentioned that 3 more than the tens digit is thrice the ones digit. Now 3 more than the tens digit is y plus 3 is equal to thrice the ones digit, which is 3x. So the equation becomes 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So that's your second linear equation. Now you just have to solve both these equations. Now since the coefficients of y are the same already, I'm just using the same equation and using the elimination method. So that gives me 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 and I'm subtracting both equations. When I subtract, all the signs would change. So that's minus x plus 4 equal to 0, which gives us the value of x is equal to 4. Now the value of y becomes 2x plus 1, which is 2 times 4 plus 1, which is 8 plus 1 or 9. So the passcode is it's of the form xyyx, right? And x is 4, y is 9. So 4994. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.